This is the Rainbow Fireplace door for zero clearance fireplaces, also known as prefab fireplaces. This hearthcraft door has an anodized aluminum frame that will withstand high temperatures and prevent air loss through your chimney when your fireplace is not in use. The Rainbow has two different door style options: trackless bifold and cabinet doors. Here's an example of how cabinet or twin doors open on a different hearthcraft door, the Slimline. Notice how each door has one large piece of glass. Trackless bifold doors have two panes of glass in each door that allow the doors to fold in half when opened, taking up minimal space. The 3/16" tempered safety glass is available in clear, bronze, and gray tints. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish and shatter the tempered safety glass. The Rainbow door does not come with mesh curtains or spark protection. However, if your zero clearance fireplace does not already have mesh curtains installed and you would like to add that extra layer of safety, Fireplace Doors Online does sell spark protection separately under our hearth accessories. The main frame of the door is 1 1/16" wide and 5/8 inch deep. This fireplace glass door is available in 5 beautiful finish colors: antique brass, flat black, polished brass, satin nickel, and polished chrome. This replacement fireplace door also works with the following factory-built fireplace model: FMI, Heat and Glow, Heatilator, Majestic, Marco, Martin, Preway, Superior, and Temco. The Rainbow is an inside fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy installation. Join the hundreds of happy customers and outfit your zero clearance fireplace today with the beautiful Rainbow Fireplace door.